tutorial, we are going to learn this easy crochet flower. Using hook size 3.5 and yarn medium size. First we start with a slip knot. Now we are going to crochet 4 chain stitches, and in the very first chain we are going to make a slip stitch to form a ring. Next, we are going to make 1 chain stitch and 12 single crochets in the ring. Now we are going to make 3 chain stitches. 1, 2, 3. This 3 chain stitch will count as 1 double crochet. So now we need 5 more double crochets. So in the very same stitch we are going to make 5 more double crochets. Now we are going to make a puff stitch. So pull up the loop and take out your hook, and in the very third chain insert your hook. Here we go. Insert your hook in the third chain. Now take this loop and pull it through the third chain, and just pull the yarn tightly. Now we will make chain 3. 1, 2 and 3. Now skip the very next stitch. Go to the second stitch and make 6 double crochets. Here we have reached the last stitch. So after the chain stitch we are going to slip stitch in the very first chain that we have crocheted. Now we are going to crochet in these 3 chain spaces like this. Yeah, these 3 chain stitches spaces. So now first we will do chain 1 single crochet and 6 double crochets in the chain 3 space. 6 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 double crochets in the space. Now again we are going to make 1 single crochet in the very same space. Now the first petal is completed. Now move to the next chain space and repeat the pattern. Single crochet, 6 double crochets, then again single crochet in the same space. Here we have reached at the last single crochet stitch. So just make a little space for the single crochet and slip stitch into the very first stitch that we have made. Now cut the yarn and weave the end. Here is the final look of this beautiful easy crochet flower. Hope you like this tutorial. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, bye.